Kasalelia Manko, and success Chevan Kachimogachin Mwangi, Sakaradahn Kapehse, Sang Sabul Machay Kabnan Wayne Ponpey, the Honorable Reed P. Oliver, who Sakaradahn Kapehse Watch Evan Sensel, Nimatan and Ponpey, or Nipachon Y.
Itungal Sakaradahn Kiponi, Pan Kuburan Erection Ponpey U, Paton Wanuki, Mon Sabako, Isoko, Likentko, Nana Lanko, Nan Kenyeko, Oloiso, Seriso, Kangan Marakan Chorus Nan Palian Tiag, Patuan Waunagi, Labalabakan Nan Palian Government, Pilpatuan Waunagi, Sapul Maitrai Labalabakan Nan Palian Momotso, Oton Ponpey Unsak. Eyang o Kasalelia Manko. Ni Masi Sakwano and Pariagatri Sak. Kalian Rosan mau patuan memia suspected case te mulukpen memia me aleti te tungalan kiti kabin sale te somawan coronavirus me atan ki COVID asak tuaw. Kalian Rosan mau patoyanger na napal kanini koros puena pali uyapen tatangkan me ban sawasya torre kabin sale te somawat enter leleto ponpi. Niapeng masisak tuaw pariyak triyasak ipatuan sakar kita. Mayra kapakan pan patota aiso merapan sansaladong option Kepina. Ranward mas reisak pariyak reisak imen patuan sakaragi tuan Wayne Ponpey Unsak. Memen koso me pagkatarlang nan Wayne Kwam leletor o kasaleta me testwat negative. Te koso kan kasaleta me kaiten coronavirus te COVID asak tuaw. Imen patuan Purang Sakaradahn way. Melelda ranwat saikinta kapinsale te suma wan coronavirus te COVID isak tuaw leletong punti. Ipilmen patuan Sakaradahn way mementata men kosokan e leletor o kasaleta me saikinta kapinsale te suma wan coronavirus te COVID isak tuaw nan Wayne Ponpey. Katail katin kolokol o ititawan uyapen makalakalakan correspond sa wasep pereti o ireti tobesangan kapinsale te somaw and coronavirus the COVID asak tuwawat. Kalangan en kubur karusyen o Kasalelia Mainko. Good morning and Kasalelia. On March 16, 2020, Ponpey identified its first suspected case of COVID-19, also known as person under investigation. I would like to inform the general public that we have just received results from the Guam Public Health Laboratory. The results indicated that the virus that causes COVID-19 was not detected. This means that there are still currently no confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Ponpey. Although the test came back negative, the public is advised to continue, prepare, and make themselves more aware, remain alert, and continue to practice good hygiene. Thank you, and God bless you all.